Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle of today in the additional of today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's Friday, April the 30th, 2021, last day of the month. Yes, tomorrow it's weekend, Saturday, yes. But first we will solve this baby, and this one will be a number. Let me write it here. 2720. Yes, 2720. Alright. So, before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 12 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be also an easy one. Alright, so let's get started. First question is, can we see here the single box? The single box is always a 1. I see two single boxes. Here one, there one. Dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes in this puzzle? No. Triple boxes. See here the triple box. It contains the 1, 2, and a 3. I see here 2, so those two boxes can be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be there. The 1 and the 3 are missing. Alright. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Do we have more triple boxes? No, I see here a quadrat box. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Alright. And the following strategy is to recognize some shapes. Yes. For example, the L shape or L figure or L construction. Let me draw this. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Oh, I see here a quadrat box with 4 boxes. Not 5 boxes, but 4 boxes. But let me finish this thing. Yes, this box has always the same number as that box. Okay, so this box is the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have more L shape with 5 boxes? No. Okay, let me go back here. If you see a quadrat box with 4 boxes in an L shape, this box is always a 5. Alright. And this box is now connected with that box, should be also a 5. Alright. Then the following shape, let me draw this shape. This is also another shape you need to know, or you need to recognize. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box is the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, here, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. So this should be also a 5. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shape? No. Then the following shape, this one. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape? No. Then the Z construction, rotated. Yes. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And also, that box has the same number as this box. Alright, so all those boxes are connected with each other. Those are the figures that you need to recognize. Yes. To start with the tectonic. Alright. So let's get started. Quadrat box. it contains 1, 2, 3, and a 4. We have a 4 here, so those 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Alright. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 3. Alright. Then. How about, let me see, these 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means I have marked those 2 boxes with a 5. This box cannot be a 5 because I need a 5 in one of those 2 boxes, so it's not the option to place the 5 here. The 5 should be there. Alright. Then this box can also not be a 5 because I need a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. We have a 5 over there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. So those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. I have a double 5 there. I need a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. If I fill a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. Also, that box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. Yeah. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. But also that box cannot be a 1. I have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 1, 1, 1. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. Let me think. 1, 3. This box cannot be a 1 or a 3 because I need a 1 and a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 4. Alright. Yeah. Let me think. 3, 3, 3, yes. This box cannot be a 1 or a 3 because I have a 1 and a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 and the 3 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this quarter box for the 4. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that I cannot place a 1 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this is not the solution to place the 1 here. The 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. I cannot place a 3 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So no 3 in this box, the 3 should be there, and the 2 goes here. Alright, now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore, that box should be a 3. This box should be a 1. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore, that box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. Alright. these 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And then these 2 boxes cannot be a 5, but also that box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Complicated. All right. This box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Okay, so 1 digit left in this area for the number 4. All right. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3 we see here, 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. And this box is connected with that box. So this should be also a 3. Alright. This box cannot be a 2. This box can also not be a 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes in this area. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left should be the 1 in this area. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Alright. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. The 2 and the 3 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 3. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Alright, now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 2 there, so this box cannot be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. Alright. Let me think. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Alright. Then. 1, 2. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, but it can also not be a 5, because I have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this is definitely a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Alright. 2 boxes left, the 5 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 2, 5. Alright, I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 3. Alright. 4. Okay. Well, this box cannot be a 4. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that in this area, this box cannot be a 4. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. I have a double 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. Let me see. 2, 3. Yeah. This box cannot be a 2 or a 3, because I have a 2 and a 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 and a 3 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this W shape should be the number 4. Alright. I have a double 2 here. That means that this box cannot be a 2. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So this should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. Alright, now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. Alright, now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 5. Alright. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Alright. Then. I think this box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. I have a double 1 there. Cannot be, it should be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. Alright. So those two boxes cannot be a 2 now. So the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. But I see we have a 2 there. So this box can be a 2. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 4. Alright. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Alright. Yeah. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1. Alright. I have double 1 here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 5. Okay, here 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. Alright. I think. Complicated. Well. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. Alright, now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. Alright. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 4 goes there. Alright, now we go back in this area. Now we have a 2 there. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. 4 stars? No, because a 4-star Sudoku or a puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Well, I've solved this in 17 minutes. And I think this one is a 2 stars. A 3 stars, I need 20 minutes or more. 20 to 30 minutes. 2 stars. Yeah, definitely a 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. By the way, in my channel, you can also find a lot of playlists. Playlists for tectonics. Playlists for binaries. Playlist for Sudokus with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, but also killer Sudokus, light Sudokus, heavy Sudokus, all kind of puzzles. So subscribe and you find the playlist. Alright. So thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great Friday, fantastic Friday, and see you tomorrow on Saturday. Yes, it's weekend. Bye bye for now.